Okay, so let's do this week's spread in my memory planner. I've already printed out the photos and I've kind of grouped them together on the stories that I want to tell with them. This one's probably going to come up here. And I've picked out this blue transitional piece of paper from Paige Evans. And I kind of feel like I'm keeping this week's rather simple as well. I feel like I'm just going to put scrapbook paper all across this area here. And that way, once this is covered though, the light blue will be able to still write here and then write all along the bottom for the different stories and keep it very neat and simple. What I've picked out so far for stickers is this one that's Teacher Florals. I love this blue sheet of stickers there. And then on Color Story, this is the big, it has the section for indigo, which will go nicely. Or I even like, what is this other, like, there's another blue, or, oh no, it's the Styled Wild one. I kind of like these colored boxes and stuff too. These colors could work. So I have these two ready to go for this. So I'm going to put you on fast forward and we're going to get this one done. Okay, so I've been keeping my layouts rather simple lately. So with this scrapbook paper, this one is from Paige Evans. And it being a 12 by 12, it managed to fit across the left side and then only half of the right side. So then I was like, oh, let me get another sheet of paper or get the other side, but then the colors wouldn't match up. So you'll see me kind of select a large kind of journaling spot that will take up that empty spot and then stack my photos on the other side of it. So that worked out rather well. And I think, yeah, that worked out rather well. And then I go ahead and place them and I keep that little journaling column for stories about the weekend. And then everything else will be underneath it about our tickets when we got to Disney on Ice. Valentina just loved it. She remembered it from going a few months ago, so Daddy surprised us. And then the first story is all about how Miguel, my husband, just had neck surgery, and I had to do like all the hats wearing, meaning running our clinic. We have a chiropractic clinic and still taking her to school and picking her up from school. And I managed and it was good, but he had to recover. And so that's the story for the week. So I loved using the Styled Wild sticker collection for this layout, and I love incorporating the little like leopard print on both sides, making them cohesive. And then I'm filling in the rest of the spots with some gold foiled quotes, and picking out a couple of strips will be left, and that will be all good to me. Okay, that wraps up this layout. I hope you saw how quickly this came together. I used a lot of this like Styled Wild, I believe that's the collection that's called, with the colorful leopard prints, and I have the elements to tie in all both pages. And then in some of the spots that were going to be a little hard to kind of occupy, I put in some just lettered stickers that are gold embossed, as you can see when I shimmer it. That way it's not such big blank spots. And then some of these were now from Color Story as well, in order to just put some phrase positive stickers on there. Until next time.